Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z, how are you?
Good.
You're looking fly today. Got a new helmet. What is that? That's the 989.
Gunmetal design.
It's a good looking lid. Let's see.
I actually like it.
Now that that's out of the way, let's take a break from the sandwiches.
I do like sandwiches, but I am down for a break.
I think the last 4 videos we've had sandwiches. It's time to change it up.
Yeah, what do you have in mind?
There's something that I've never had in my whole entire life. Never even considered it. Till the other day, the wife started talking about chicken fried steak. You ever had chicken fried steak?
Only at like Denny's and stuff. I don't know.
You've had it before then?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
It's alright.
For you, the place we're going to, it's called Surfin' Donuts. They're actually famous for a donut burger.
Donut burger.
You like donuts, right?
I like donuts.
Do you like burgers?
I like burgers.
This could be a winner. All right, what time is it? We got time. The place we're going to actually closes at 2. It's a breakfast brunch place. So COVID's back in effect. Yeah, things are shut down again. Things are crazy. It's hard to make these videos because we can't go into the restaurants and eat the food. Yeah, we're stuck, man. We got to get it to go and find silverware and drinks and carry it on the motorcycle and park and stuff. I mean, we make do, right? Show must go on. Yo, Jixer. Alright, I need you guys to help me out with something, man. I'm having trouble finding cool food channels to watch. Typically, food channels are pretty boring. If any of you guys watching this video know of any cool food channels to watch, I want to check them out, man. And if they're local to Southern California, maybe we could do a collab and we could figure out a way to work together. Huh? Yeah, let me know. Whoa, get out of the way, buddy. All right, let's announce the winner for the LUIMOTO Gold Joe. We're on YouTube Comment Picker, keeping it fair. Looks like we had almost 800 of you this week. All right, Shriner on Air. Congratulations. To claim your prize, send me an email, suburbandelinquent@gmail.com. And for those of you guys that didn't win, click the link in the description of this video. Go over to LUIMOTO, check out some of their stuff. And remember, support the channel partners. They're here for you. And don't worry, LUIMOTO wants to do some more giveaways soon, so stick around. A long time ago, I put a sticker in here. Can you see if it's still in there? I'm just not tall enough.
And you think I am?
Yeah, you're right.
Anything?
I don't think so. You look.
I don't trust. Ah! Don't look at my butt. Nope.
Stay right there. Don't move. I'm going to get the thumbnail. Don't move.
Why are you over there?
Well, I'm getting a thumbnail, Z.
Why aren't you holding the bike? Does that at least look cool?
Yeah, he looked really cool. Really cool. I wanted to be you. But you got to go back up there.
For what?
You got to put a sticker in there.
Why didn't you give me the sticker while I was already up there, or giving it to me before I got up there?
I didn't think that far ahead.
You want me to just put it in there?
Yeah. You did a good job. I want to see how somebody gets that sticker. So whoever decides to come and get this thing, record yourself getting it. All right, Z, let's go eat food. In the past, I have hidden another sticker there. I just don't remember if anyone ever got it or not. So this time, get on your Instagram or Twitter or whatever it is, and tag me, man. I want to see you getting the sticker. Let's talk a little bit about the place that we're going to today, Surfin' Donuts. I don't know much about the place. The website didn't have any information on it, really. But what I did find, I think there's 2 locations. I think there's one in Alicia Viejo. The one we're going to is in Mission Viejo. I don't know which one was first. The only thing that I do know, everybody seems to go crazy over their chicken fried steak. And that they have donut burgers. Some of you guys might remember, several months back, the Kleb and I, we tried to get a donut cheeseburger. And we found a place, went down to Costa Mesa to get it, but they only served it on certain days. And the day we were there wasn't one of those days. Left. So we ended up going to Dunkin' Donuts and then going over to McDonald's and piecing our own burger donut together. And it sucked. It wasn't good at all. So kind of curious to see what Z thinks of this place. So Surfing Donuts, they've been doing this for a long time. I'm sure they have the shit perfected. All right, let's go back to talking about chicken fried steak. It's a breakfast food, right? Or is it a lunch food or dinner food? Or is it a whatever food? It's one of those things you can eat any time of the day and it's amazing. Unsure. Yeah, definitely a breakfast place. Is there a little patio over there to eat too? Nope. All right. How you doing?
Only donuts?
Yeah.
You're only doing donuts?
Oh.
I thought you closed at 2, man.
We'll close at 1:30.
It's 1:28. All right, forget it. This is the second time I've gone after a donut burger and have been turned away. Piss off, Surfing Donuts. I'll find another place to go to. You know what usually happens whenever we run into a fail?
Some weird shit happens.
No, we just go and get a cheesesteak.
Philly's Best is open. Haven't had them in a while.
Philly's Best. Let's do it. We're on our way. Surfing Donuts. What a letdown. I don't know that I can come back here now. He was kind of rude, right?
But honestly, if I was in his position, I'd do the same exact thing.
The dude was a dick. I don't know. Maybe I'm being too hard on the guy. You tell me, man. Should I be upset? Should I be a little angry? I don't know. I'm just hungry, right? And I get that hangry shit going. So when I'm this close to food and I just can't have it, I get frustrated. So maybe I'm overreacting. I'm probably overreacting. I'm still not going back there, though. Don't worry, we're not going to eat here. But this was one of my favorite restaurants.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I think they closed. Now it's called O'Shine. I wonder if it's the same place. I'm going to ask. It's still the Teflon Grill here?
No, it's different. It's changed over since last year.
I would always get just the New York steak, fried rice, and the vegetables.
Oh, okay. You can choose the grilled New York steak, and you can add, you can substitute to fried rice, and it comes with the vegetables.
Got it. All right, thanks. I think I'm more confused. They changed the name and made it more Asian. Let's just go eat a cheesesteak. It's a sign! Look! I can't get it. You're just gonna have to look at it yourself. This dude means business. That scared me. Wonder if this guy's having a good day or not. Nice car, convertible, nice day. But he looks like he's mad. He's hiding his face. Shouldn't be in a convertible, buddy. Yeah, I'm staring at you. I'm making him uncomfortable. When all else fails, cheesesteak. Hello, how are you?
I'll get a Philly's Best cheesesteak.
Any grilled onion?
Sure.
I'll just do a classic cheesesteak with American cheese, 2 drinks, and 2 chips.
Any grilled onions?
No thanks. What do you want to drink?
Dr. Pepper.
I'll do a Coke, he'll do the Dr. Pepper.
Do you want the Mexican Coke?
Fountain Coke's fine. Never go wrong with the cheesesteak, see. all else fails, cheesesteak. I'm a little disappointed in today.
Yeah, I was pretty excited for that weird burger.
We'll get it again, just not there.
Not there.
I'm gonna make it happen for you, Z.
But you can't beat the best at Philly's best.
Yeah, I'm always happy to wind up eating a cheesesteak, but I was also a little bummed that I didn't get my chicken fried steak.
That was another thing, yeah.
Had a lot of cheesesteaks over the year, probably about 1,000 of them. A lot of them on this channel. Out of all those cheesesteaks, how'd this one rank?
I added some like chilies and stuff. I think they used the wrong chilies.
They messed you up?
I think they messed me up.
Why didn't you try to get them to fix it?
Because I asked them to add it, so I feel like it's my fault.
All right, live with your decision.
Next time, I just go there, get the classic, and everyone and the world will be happy.
I enjoyed what I got, but I just got the classic. Everything that you saw on the table come out to about $29. We got 2 drinks. You got the bottle of Dr. Pepper. I got the fountain. You got 2 bags of glorious chips and the regular size cheesesteaks. Philly's best. I'll be back. I'll always be back. Because when in doubt, cheesesteak. Shit goes wrong, go get a cheesesteak. Makes it all better. I want to thank all you guys that stuck with me for the duration of this video. Man, we have a good time here. Enjoy sharing it with y'all. Much love to all the patrons of the channel. Definitely appreciate you guys. You guys are making it happen. Really motivating. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Please support the channel partners. Once again, all I'm asking, if you guys are in the market for any of their products or services, just consider them first. All right, I'll catch you later.
Have you ever tried anything fermented?
Cheese.
Fermented cheese?
That's what cheese is.
Yeah, it's already fermented.
Yeah.
No, but like...
Wine? Why do you ask such silly questions?
No, but like fermented, like...
You mean like gross shit fermented?
Like, yeah.
Why would I try gross shit?
It smells like rotten fish.
That sounds like something I would not want to try.
Kind of tastes like rotten fish too.
What are you referring to?
It's my idea.
You want to eat gross shit?
Yeah, but I like it.
You like...
It's odd.
Well, it's no wonder you like tuna.
Or like there's certain vegetables that are just so bitter, they taste like shit, but I like eating it. It's the weirdest thing.